Do you have any ideas about how to make up your own new stops, art projects, games and challenges, or anything you want to do? How do you know what you need your own stop? Or how to mail in requests to us? And now, here's how it works to create your own new stop with other stop timers. So, let's do this. Send it to Stop Time. To contribute to us, 1. Create your own new stops about art projects and games. 2. Take a snapshot while you finish or create your own note. 3. Send it to Stop Time to starchoicemusic@yahoo.com, including the subject in different syntax for the following. 4. Attach the photo your email. 5. Title up your message for the following. The first is body of the letter and name and address. 6. Send your mail to Stop Time and when we get notified on our mail to read us. Remember, 1 submission entry per day. And that's it. Hopeful ideas that really helpful. So, what are you waiting for? Send it to Stop Time and make up your own stop. Email us at starchoicemusic@yahoo.com and follow us on our social medias. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Yomarumon Dreams when we post a new videos in other date of Friday. Catch it on Stop Time. A new time slot premieres at 9 p.m. only here on Yomarumon Dreams. All submissions that become a property of Yomarumon Dreams and will be eligible for inclusion in all media. This means that we can share more ideas with other stop timers on YouTube, social media, in printed materials, and in other media.